Wait, quit the game. Quit the game. It's gonna give you your stuff. Quit the game. Quit the game. It's gonna give you your stuff. No, bro. If you quit the game, it's gonna give you your stuff. He quit the game. What's good, guys? It's Foxy VR here, and today I'm gonna be griefing kids by teleporting them into mines and then just killing them with my revolver right in front of their eyes. So I'm gonna get them to put a teleport grenade in my bag. I'm gonna tell them I'm going to moon map, and then I'm just gonna spawn them in there and kill every single one of them with my bare hands. With that out of the way, let's get started with the video.
Rocket?
Yo, you wanna go to moon map, right? You wanna go to moon map, right? Come on. Here. Buy a teleportation grenade, activate it, then drop it on the ground, okay?
Teleport grenade?
Okay, drop it, activate it. Wait, activate it. Drop it. Drop it.
Join the code 5577.
Oh my god. Activate it and then drop it again. Now I'm going to moon map.
Who put a bomb in there?
What's more like that?
Who put a bomb in
Okay,
there?
where is it?
You use it.
Wait, I already know what that does. It kills me. I'm not.
Alright, let's go.
You
You stay here,
use
stay
it.
here. I'm gonna.
Because I'm trying to sell something. I'll give you a little creep. Code GV4.
Said you wanted to go to moon map? I'll take you to the moon, buddy. My first victim! And now your item is mine, buddy. Your item is mine.
I'm stupid.
That was our first victim. You want to go to moon map? Anybody want to go to moon map? Does anybody want to go to the moon map in the newest update?
Does anyone have a pickaxe?
Does anybody want to go to the moon map in the newest update? Does anybody want to go to the moon map in the newest update?
I want to go to the moon map. I want to see the moon map. Wait, guys,
Okay, come here. Do you have the teleportation grenade? You have the teleportation grenade?
No.
Whoever wants to go fishing, join my code.
Here. Activate this and then
I'm gonna
drop it
tell
on
you
the
the
ground.
code.
Just wait here for a few seconds.
Is the moon map a real map?
Yeah, it's a real map. I'm
No,
gonna bring
wait
you
up.
there. No, stay here. Stay here. You gotta stay here. Stay here. I'm gonna
Over
bring.
here?
Stay right there. Yeah, stay right there. So you wanna go to the moon, huh? I'm gonna take you there then.
Wait, no, not like this.
Quit your game. Quit your game. Oh yeah. Oh wow. Second victim. Who wants to go to the moon map? Who want to go to the moon map? I know how to get there.
Wait,
I know how to get to the moon map. You want to go?
You're supposed to grab. Okay, so you're supposed to grab one of those weird ball thingies.
Here, I know.
We saw with the giveaways.
I have a great way to do it.
Guys, who wants to play with a game with me?
Here, who wants to go to the moon map? I got my item. Who wants to go to the moon map? Alright, everybody that want to go to the moon map, come here. Everybody that want to go to the moon map, come here.
with me?
Oh my
Here.
gosh.
Buy a teleportation grenade and then put it in my bag. Okay, activate that and then put it in my bag.
I touched it.
Basically,
It goes fast.
I'm gonna bring you now.
Now hop it.
Just stay there, bro. I'm gonna bring you to the moon map. I got disconnected. I don't know what just happened to mine. So, you want to go to the moon map, eh? I'll take it.
No, that cost me so much, please. Give me my hammer.
Ah, you shouldn't have brought it with you, bro. Yes.
Bro, please. Please.
Quit the game, bro. Wait, quit the game. Quit the game. It's gonna give you your stuff. Quit the game. Quit the game. It's gonna give you your stuff. No, bro. If you quit the game, it's gonna give you your stuff. He quit the game. Now all his stuff is mine. Dang. Whoa, I think scary lady's down here, so I gotta go. The scary lady's down here, so I gotta go. Well, that was our last victim. We got our last victim and some extra loot. Hope you enjoyed that video. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed that video. That was all the ways of me killing kids in mines, making them scared for their life. See you later, my little wild mutts. Bye bye.